So hello, this is Calvin. So I want to tell you how you are able to manage your users or teachers. So I want to log in as an admin of this school. So I went to say admin at school A, and then password can the main 1234. Then you can log in. So this is the dashboard. So in this dashboard, you will be having some summaries. Okay. So the counts of teachers, learners, houses, learning areas, allocations, assessments, assessment types, streams, and other things that are given in terms of summaries. Okay, so that's the dashboard. So let me add a user. Let me tell you how you can manage your teachers. So this is the page where you'll be managing your teachers. So you can see all these teachers. Okay, so you simply add the name of the teacher here. So Jacqueline, not name, but let me add the code. Like this code can be TC number or any other number that, or any other number that you can use to identify them uniquely. Full name Jacqueline. For example, Jacqueline Ado, Jacqueline Ado. Then phone number 07235369. Just for demonstration, username you can give her Jacqueline one, password Jacqueline 1234. Just for example, we'll be changing that one when she logs in. So browse the photo. Let me just give any photo, even this one. All right, you load that one. So already it's displayed here, the path. So when you add the user is already in the system, and now you will be able to log in. So you can see Jacqueline is here. Jacqueline is here. The list is arranged alphabetically, so that's why Jacqueline is appearing there. So it's there's pagination here. So page 2 also carries those few teachers. So let's go to page 1. So now that is how you can add. But you can also delete. If you want to delete, you just come here. Then it will ask you delete this user. If you want to delete, you say yes. If you don't want, say no. Then you can also edit. You can click this one. You are able to have this page where you can edit any detail. Okay. The password also you can edit, but this one is optional. You can retain the one which is there. So then you save the changes. So you can even change the photo. If you want to change the photo, you just come here and then select whichever photo you want. Okay, then you open. Then when you save the changes, the photo will automatically be changed, as you can see. So that is how you manage your teachers. You can also have you can also manage their roles, right? Because there are certain teachers who can be admin too. Also, if you are adding all users like secretaries, you can give them those roles. You can assign them those roles. So you come to manage roles. So here you can see the teachers, all the staff. We have grid view here. Okay, and each role there's a badge. Okay, like this is the admin. This is admin 2. So this is the secretary. This basa. So you can assign them roles. So when you assign them roles, they will be logging in to this system and they will be directed to their respective dashboard as per their roles. All right. Okay. So as an admin, you cannot revoke yourself from this level. This is given by the directors. All right. So you can also, but you can always revoke admin 2, secretary, and all any other role. Okay. That is below the admin. So I didn't want to say super admin. So I want to call this user with all the rights across the system as an admin. Right? Admin 2, you can always change the role. So you can change the role here. Okay. You can demote to teacher. When you demote to teacher, you will be able to see that now role has been changed, and now the badge here is actually teacher is the one here. All right. So you can always do that. Then you can also reinstate back. So let me reset him back to admin position to admin 2. So the role has been changed and you can see it's back here. So that means when you change the role, you will be having some rights, all right? Okay, so that's how you can manage your users. Okay, you can also open when you open, you go to this page where you can edit anything you want to edit. All right, so that's how you do it. So this system is for school management, especially CBC, right? So that is how you can add teachers and all these other parts. So also I need to mention something about adding the BOM members, PTM members. Those ones are supposed to be added for matters of communication. So like BOM, just come here, then you add the name, the position, and email, phone, then the photo. Like now you can see these are the members, the chairman is there, the secretary, and so on. So you can always also check them on the grid view on this other side, okay? Their phone numbers, emails, and so on. So you can also manage your PTA the same way. You add the details, and then they will be displayed here. And then you can also have a look at them here in the grid view, okay? All right, so that is how you are able to do that. That's how you can do that. So the admin can do anything. Admin can do all the things that is required to do. So let me log out. All right. When I log in as a teacher, or as I want to log in as an admin too. So as an admin too, okay. Calvin's at school A. So password 1234. So okay, that is now the dashboard. So this one is now admin 2. Admin 2 has got fewer rights than the admin, right? So you can see like you cannot do things like school details. Okay, school details is only the admin. Okay, maybe SMS setting also you cannot do. Those are admin job. Okay, so some rights have been taken away, but you can do most of the things. Okay, can do most of the things. Can add the teachers. Okay, you can see it's able to go to this page and do the similar things admin can do. So you can see you can also add streams. Okay, okay, so you can do a lot of things. You can just do a lot of things the admin is able to do. Okay, so those are roles that admin too can do all that. Okay, add assessment types, add area, allocate learning areas to streams, right? So you can see that all that. So this system is a wonderful one. You can see the admin too can also look at his learning areas, the allocations to him. So you can see these are the allocations of that admin too, and you can enter scores from that end. You can enter score like this one is telling you that the scores for this subject are already entered for the current exam. You can still add missing entries. Okay, so if you put the marks and save the score, it will only enter those ones whose scores were missing. All right, then save that one. So that is very great. You can only update if you've entered all the marks. So when you click update, you will see all the scores are there. So you can change any score that you want to change and then you save. All right. So all those admin 2 is able to do because he must see also his subjects allocation. So he's allocated quite a number, right? As you can see. So that is very great. That is very great. That's very great. That is very, very great. So otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll still post more on this particular CBC exams analysis system. Thank you for watching. This is Calvin.